We'll guide you through how to make image transparent in Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to remove backgrounds from images without using complicated software. On your desktop menu, type Chrome in your search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀.com. Press Enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. Next, click Open Image and import your image from your device. Then wait until it fully loads on the canvas. Once the image appears, go to the Layers panel and check if the layer is locked. If it is locked, click the lock icon to unlock it so you can edit the layer. After that, move to the toolbar and select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the background area you want to remove and adjust the tolerance setting if needed to improve the selection. Hold the Shift key to select more areas of the background until only the background is highlighted. When you are sure only the background is selected, press Delete on your keyboard, and the background will become transparent. If you notice that the edges look rough, go to the feather option and set it between 2 to 5 pixels to soften the selection. This will help smooth the edges of your subject. For any remaining small imperfections, use the eraser tool and carefully clean up the edges. Zoom in to see fine details and ensure precise editing. Once everything looks clean, deselect the selection and check the full image to confirm the result. Finally, click File and then click Save. Choose PNG format. Enable transparency. The process is now complete. Make sure you review the transparent areas by placing a temporary background color underneath to verify there are no leftover pixels. If you find missed spots, repeat the selection or use the eraser tool again for accuracy. You can also slightly adjust the tolerance and feather values to get a cleaner cut around complex edges like hair or fine objects. When everything is consistent and smooth, proceed with saving as instructed to ensure the transparency is preserved correctly in the exported file for best results.